If you have ever lucid dreamed, you know that it's absolutely incredible. Mostly because you can pretty much do whatever you want. It's like the most amazing VR simulation inside your own brain while you sleep. But just because you can do anything, it doesn't mean that you should. There are a few things that you should never do in a lucid dream under any circumstances whatsoever. Now, I should mention that lucid dreaming is completely safe. Nothing can ever really harm you in real life during a dream as long as you follow these 3 steps. 1. Be in a positive mental state. 2. Have good intentions. And 3. Just remember that you are safe. I don't want to scare any people away from lucid dreaming because it's so amazing, and I truly believe that everyone should practice and learn how to lucid dream regularly. I know how to lucid dream regularly, and I can't even begin to tell you how much it has helped me in my life. Once you know how to lucid dream, it doesn't mean you should just go out there and do anything. Today, I'm going to go over 11 things you should never do while in a lucid dream. Before we get into the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I post weekly lucid dreaming videos on the channel. If you want to learn how to become a master in lucid dreaming so that you can lucid dream every single night, subscribe and also leave a like to show that you want to see more videos like this one. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Now let's get into the video. Number 11. Don't kill people. Now this should go without saying, but make sure not to cause any harm to any of the people or things or animals in your dreams. Remember that the people and things in your dreams are really just extensions of yourself, and any harm you cause them is actually harming parts of yourself. Of course, you can't physically harm yourself while in a lucid dream, but why would you want to do it mentally? Especially when there are so many more amazing things you can do in a lucid dream. The possibilities are literally endless. Want to fly? Want to talk to your own subconscious? Want to travel anywhere in the world every time you go to sleep at night? Most people just waste every night while they're sleeping. If you want to learn how to lucid dream the best way possible, check out my course at the first link in the description. Number 10. Don't think of anything scary. I know some people try to get over their fears in lucid dreams, but if you're just starting out, I do not recommend it. Just remember that the things in your lucid dream will be as realistic or possibly even more realistic than real life. Take a look around you right now and feel what it feels like to be alive. That is how real a lucid dream feels. If you want to use lucid dreaming to get over a phobia or a fear, wait until you're a little bit more advanced and can lucid dream pretty much every single night, because then it won't be a shame if you accidentally wake up. Also, remember that your subconscious literally knows every single fear and every single detail of every single fear that you have. While it might be tempting to test the dream world and see something scary, remember that it's a lot more realistic than any horror movie out there. Number 9. Don't do anything too exciting right away. When you start lucid dreaming, it may be tempting to go directly into something like flying. Just be aware that things like this have the potential of making you too excited and could eventually wake you up. You may even get overly excited when you're lucid dreaming and wake up. Before you do anything too crazy, rub your hands together to stabilize the dream. Then you can begin to walk around and do increasingly exciting things. Another way of stabilizing the dream is to look at your hands. Start to look intently at your hands close up and analyze them. This will help ground you to the dream world because you're focusing on your dream body instead of your real body that's lying in bed. Number 7. Don't try too hard to control things. If you're a complete beginner, it can be kind of difficult to control things in your lucid dreams, but beginning to get control over your lucid dreams is one of the main reasons lucid dreaming is so amazing in the first place. With practice, you can control the weather, shapeshift, and even move buildings, but before you go out and try to do any of these things, it's important to stay calm and remember that controlling things in a lucid dream takes practice. Don't try too hard to control anything, because you could get frustrated and could accidentally wake up. But once you can start controlling things, trust me, it is amazing. Number 6. Don't dream about real life people too much. If you spend too much time with people from your real life in your lucid dreams, it can begin to get confusing as to which memories are real and which ones happen in your dreams. You might be talking with one of your friends in real life and asked about something that happened in a dream. Just try not to make real life people the focus of your dreams and you'll be fine. This will also greatly help your mental health because you might have had amazing memories or conversations with the people in your dreams, and it can be a bit depressing to know that none of that actually happened. So as a general rule, don't create fake memories with the people in your dreams. Number 5, don't spin around too much. One of the best methods of stabilizing your lucid dreams is to spin in a circle, but if you begin to spin around too much, you could actually wake up. The best thing to do is when you suspect you could be dreaming, do a few reality checks to make sure you're dreaming, but don't go overboard and do them every 5 seconds. This will also help you not get too excited from sensory overload and end up waking up without doing what you wanted in your lucid dream. The reason a little bit of spinning can help actually stabilize your lucid dreams is because it makes you focus more on your dream body rather than your real life body that's sleeping in your bed. Number 4, don't look in a mirror. While it might be tempting to look in a mirror in a lucid dream, I don't recommend it unless you're prepared. Oftentimes what you see back in a mirror while in a lucid dream could be a scary or a distorted version of yourself. Don't look in a mirror, and if you do, just be prepared that it could be scary and could potentially cause you to wake up. Instead, a good thing to do is focus on a certain part of your dream body like the back of your hands and really start to study the details of them. This will actually help you solidify your lucid dream. Number 3, don't think about your real life body. Once you realize that you're dreaming, you might start to think about your real life body laying in bed. It might be crazy to know that you're in a lucid dream, but your real body is actually laying in a bed right now. And that's just because how real a lucid dream feels. Try to distract yourself from thinking about your body because you could accidentally shift your awareness from your lucid dream world to your real world and end up waking up. Do your best to focus on the lucid dream world once you're in a lucid dream. One technique to focus on the dream body that I've seen people saying to do is just to fall blindly backwards and hit the ground. Now, I don't recommend this unless you've tried every single lucid dreaming stabilization method out there, and I'm going to soon make a video on the best lucid dreaming stabilization methods, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. One of my favorite lucid dream stabilization methods is just to rub your hands together. Another thing you can do is to focus on the details of your lucid dream body. This will keep you thinking about the dream and help you stabilize it. Number 2, don't close your eyes. While just closing your eyes for a short amount of time and then opening them can actually help you solidify your dream, if you close your eyes for too long, you will almost certainly wake up. So if you're in a lucid dream and you don't want to wake up, make sure not to close your eyes. You can also use this to your advantage if you're having a lucid nightmare. You can feel safe knowing that if at any moment things get too bad, you can just shut your eyes and then wake up. Number 1, don't leave things for later. If you realize you're dreaming and you have the desire to do something in your lucid dream, it's always best that you do that thing as soon as possible before you forget. In my lucid dreaming course, I actually recommend making a dream script, which is basically what you plan on doing once you realize that you're dreaming. Don't think to yourself, oh, I'll try to fly later, I'm just gonna walk around right now. You might forget, slip back into a non-lucid dream, or even worse, wake up. Always attempt to do your dream script once you've solidified your lucid dream using a lucid dream stabilization method. And that's it for today's video, guys. I sincerely hope that these steps help you a ton in your lucid dreaming journey. If you're new to lucid dreaming and you want to learn how to lucid dream more often, check out my lucid dreaming course at the first link in the description. It teaches my exact strategy for having 20 to 30 lucid dreams per month. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss when I release another lucid dreaming tutorial like this one. Be sure to leave a like too because it shows me that you guys like these videos. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.